Hi, good morning everybody. This is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a save the date. We are having a YouTube hop here with Sandy Decorate Your Life on a new awesome amazing digital. So this will be on Wednesday the 27th at 3 p.m. Central. So this is a special event, and basically it's crafting on a budget. It's called Crafting on a Budget, Mother Day's Craft Ideas YouTube Hop. So again, this is going to be Wednesday the 27th, and we will be using this amazing paper pad. Oh, you guys, I'm giving you guys a sneak peek on it. There you go. Isn't this amazing, you guys? Oh my goodness. So it's called Vintage Shabby by Anna for Decorate Your Life. And as you guys could see, look at you guys. This is an amazing vintage shabby look. Oh my goodness, look at the flowers. So anyways, this digital will be available on the day that we have our hop. So that again will be, of course, Wednesday the 27th at 3 p.m. Central. And basically, you guys, this hop will be followed by different people. Make sure you follow along. There's going to be special instructions for special winnings or prizes, you guys. So I truly recommend that you follow along if you're interested in this, and to see what basically all the other crafters have as a crafting on a budget. Basically, this is more of a crafting on a budget, and you know, using it for Mother's Day. So more details are going to be coming along when you guys see the video. So some of the ladies might have their own giveaways, and like I said, there's more to say on our premiere for this hop, so you guys don't miss out on it, and we hope to see you there. And again, thank you for taking the time to watch, and look at this. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.